Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to solve this equation for real values of x. Now, the trick to simplifying this equation is the simple substitution. Y is equal to x cubed divided by root 20. Of course, you know that if we multiply both sides of this equation by root 20, then we have that x cubed is equal to y times root 20. Now, remember that we can write this first term as x cubed because from our laws of indices, to get rid of these brackets, all we need to do is to multiply these two powers, and 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Here we still have 21 x cubed, and of course the constant term is still root 20, and everything is equal to 0. Now we apply this substitution. We have y times root 20 cubed minus 21 times y times root 20. Then we have root 20, and this is equal to 0. Now let us expand this. We have y cubed. Then we have root 20 to the power 3. That is root 20 times root 20 times root 20. And of course, you know that this times that is going to give us 20. Then we have root 20. So here we have y cubed times 20 times root 20. Here we have minus 21 times y times root 20. And of course, the constant term is still root 20, and everything is still equal to 0. Now, when you look at these three terms, you're going to see a common factor, which is root 20. So we can divide through this equation by the square root of 20. Now, in this first term, this is going to take care of that, leaving us with 20 y cubed. In the second term, this is going to take care of that, leaving us with minus 21 y. And of course, this is going to take care of that, leaving us with plus 1, and this is equal to 0. And finally, when you look at this cubic equation, it's very easy to see that y equal to 1 is a root. So we can factorize the left-hand side of this equation. All we need to do is to divide this cubic expression by y minus 1. And of course, to do that, we are going to use the synthetic division method. The coefficient of y cubed is 20. The coefficient of y squared is 0. Obviously, there is no term in y squared. The coefficient of y is minus 21, and the constant term is 1. We are dividing by 1. You bring down 20. 1 times 20 is going to give us 20. 0 plus 20 is going to give us 20. 1 times 20 is going to give us 20. Minus 2021 plus 20 is going to give us minus 1. 1 times minus 1 is going to give us minus 1. 1 minus 1 is going to give us 0. So, when we factorize this, we have y minus 1 multiplied by 20 y squared plus 20y minus 1. And of course, this is equal to 0. And of course, from this factorization, you can see that either y minus 1 is equal to 0 or 20y squared plus 20y minus 1 is equal to 0. From this first equation, we have that y is equal to 1. Now, we cannot solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. So let us solve it by completing the square method. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that the coefficient of y squared is 1. So we are going to divide through the whole equation by 20. When we do that, we have that y squared plus y minus 1 over 20 is equal to 0. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to send the constant term over to the right-hand side of the equation. When we do that, we have that y squared plus y is equal to 1 over 20. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to divide the coefficient of y, which is 1, by 2. Square it and add to both sides of the equation to complete the square on the left. So we have y squared plus y plus 1 over 2 squared is equal to 1 over 20 plus 1 over 2 squared is 1 over 4. So here we have 1 over 4. Now we have a perfect square on the left-hand side. Now we take one y and we take 1/2 and we square. And this is equal to, combining these two fractions into one single unit, we have 1 times 4. 20 times 1 divided by 20 times 4. We have y plus half squared is equal to 24 divided by 80. Now we can reduce this fraction to its lowest terms. 8 into 20 is 2. 16, remainder 4. 8 into 42 is 5. 40, remainder 2. 8 into 24 is 3. And 8 into 80, of course, is 10. Now, the final thing to do is to take square root of both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that y plus half is equal to plus or minus the square root of 253 over 10. And of course, when we subtract half from both sides of this equation, we have that y is equal to minus half plus or minus the square root of 253 divided by 10. So we have two more values for y. That is minus half plus the square root of 253 over 10 and minus half minus the square root of 253 over 10. And this is added to y equal to 1, which we got from the first equation. And finally, to find the values of x, we go back to this equation. Now, in this case, we have that x cubed is equal to y, that is minus half plus or minus root 253 over 10 multiplied by root 20. Now, opening this bracket, we have that x cubed is equal to minus half times root 20, that is minus root 20 over 2 plus or minus root 253 times 20 divided by 10. Now this is equal to minus, you know that we can write 2 as the square root of 4. So here we have root 2020 over 4 plus or minus root 1010 into itself is 1 into 2020 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. 4 into itself is 1. Into 20 is 5. Into 20, 5. So we have minus root 505 plus or minus root 506. And finally, to find the values of x, we take cube root of both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that x is equal to the cube root of minus root 505 plus or minus root 506. And finally, when y is equal to 1, then we have that x cubed is equal to the square root of 2020. To find the value of x, we take cube root of both sides of this equation. So we have that x is equal to the cube root of the square root of 2020. So in all, we have 3 real values of x that satisfy this equation. We have the cube root of minus root 505 plus root 506. We have the cube root of minus root 505 minus root 506. And finally, we have the cube root of the square root of 2020. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.